As a homeowner in Washington, D.C., you know how unpredictable the weather can be, from sweltering summer heat to cold winters with biting winds. In such a climate, maintaining energy efficiency is crucial for keeping your home comfortable while also controlling your energy bills. One of the most effective ways to boost your home's energy efficiency is by upgrading your windows and doors. These essential components not only impact the aesthetic appeal of your home but also play a significant role in reducing energy consumption, making your home more sustainable. In this article, we'll explore why Washington, D.C. windows and doors are essential for improving energy efficiency and how they can help you save money on utility bills. Minimizing heat loss and heat gain. One of the most important functions of windows and doors is to act as a barrier between your home's interior and the outdoors. However, older or poorly sealed windows and doors can allow heat to escape during the winter and let in unwanted heat during the summer, driving up your energy costs. This inefficiency leads to the overworking of your HVAC system as it struggles to maintain a comfortable temperature inside. Double and triple pane windows. Energy-efficient windows with double or triple panes are a significant upgrade over older, single-pane windows. These windows feature multiple layers of glass with a gas layer, typically argon or krypton, between the panes. The gas insulates the windows, reducing heat transfer. This helps prevent warm air from escaping in the winter and keeps hot air from entering during the summer. Low-E coatings. Low emissivity, low-E glass coatings are applied to windows to reduce the amount of infrared and ultraviolet light that passes through the glass. These coatings reflect heat back into your home during the winter and block excess heat during the summer, which helps regulate indoor temperatures without relying on your HVAC system. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors, you can significantly reduce the amount of heat lost in the winter and gain in the summer, lowering your heating and cooling costs year-round. Sealing air leaks and preventing drafts. Even the best windows and doors won't help much if they aren't properly sealed. Over time, gaps and cracks around old or poorly installed windows and doors can form, allowing drafts to sneak into your home. These drafts can significantly reduce your home's energy efficiency by making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Proper sealing and installation. When you choose professional window and door installation in Washington, D.C., the installers will ensure that your new windows and doors are sealed properly. They will address any gaps and ensure that your home remains airtight, preventing drafts and ensuring that the temperature inside stays consistent. Weather stripping and insulation. Many energy-efficient windows and doors come with built-in weather stripping and insulation to further improve their energy-saving capabilities. These features add an extra layer of protection against drafts and air leaks, enhancing the overall efficiency of your home. With properly sealed windows and doors, your home will stay comfortable without the constant need to adjust the thermostat, resulting in significant energy savings. Reducing dependence on HVAC systems. Heating and cooling systems account for a large portion of your home's energy usage, especially in climates like Washington, D.C.'s, where temperatures can vary drastically throughout the year. Energy-efficient windows and doors reduce your reliance on these systems by helping your home naturally maintain a comfortable temperature. Passive temperature regulation. Energy-efficient windows and doors work by improving insulation, which means your home retains heat in the winter and stays cooler in the summer. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, reducing your overall energy consumption. Consistent comfort. With better insulation and sealing, your home will maintain a consistent, comfortable temperature. This helps to reduce the frequency with which you need to turn on your air conditioning or heating, further reducing your energy costs. Environmental impact. By investing in energy-efficient windows and doors, you're not only saving money on energy bills, but you're also making a positive impact on the environment. Homes that use less energy contribute less to greenhouse gas emissions and reduce their carbon footprint. In a city like Washington, D.C., which has a growing focus on sustainability, making energy-efficient upgrades to your home can be a significant step toward helping the environment. Energy Star certification. Many energy-efficient windows and doors are Energy Star certified, meaning they meet strict standards for energy performance. These products are designed to perform well in different climates, including Washington, D.C.'s, and are a great option for homeowners looking to reduce their environmental impact. Long-term cost saving. Although upgrading your windows and doors can be an investment upfront, the long-term savings far outweigh the initial cost. With energy-efficient windows keeping your home better insulated and reducing the need for frequent heating or cooling, your utility bills will drop significantly over time. Return on investment. On average, homeowners can expect to see an energy savings of 10–25% on their heating and cooling bills after replacing their old windows and doors with more energy-efficient models. The savings can continue for many years, making this upgrade a worthwhile investment. Increased home value. Energy-efficient windows and doors are also an attractive feature for potential homebuyers. Many buyers look for homes with energy-efficient features that will save them money in the long run. This means that investing in energy-efficient windows and doors could also increase the resale value of your home. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows and doors is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency in Washington, D.C. With benefits such as improved insulation, reduced drafts, and lower HVAC reliance, energy-efficient windows and doors offer a cost-effective solution to maintaining a comfortable home year-round. Not only do they help you save on energy bills, but they also contribute to a more sustainable home and can increase the long-term value of your property. Whether you're looking to lower your carbon footprint, reduce energy costs, or simply improve your home's comfort, Washington, D.C. windows and doors are the key to achieving these goals.